Child of light, it is time to remember who you are. You are a child of God. You are a message of love and light. You are a sovereign being. You have the power within you to choose to bring more love and light into the world. Child of light, it is time. Listen to the still, small voice. Open your heart. Hear the word of God that is within you. Remember your wholeness. Be the gift of love and light that you came into this world to be. Even amid chaos, you can find your wholeness. The old corruptions of the world are crumbling. It is time for you to share your light and love in new ways. It is time for you to help heal the world. It is time for you to fulfill your purpose, to live your gifts in joy and with grace. You are a child of God. God's love and light are within you. Remember who you are. Go forth and serve. Love one another. Remember who you are. You are a child of God. It is time for you to share the blessings of love and light with all those around you. Go forth and serve. This is an intuitive message of love from the quantum field of creation.